Good morning, everyone. Tia Kutzer from Bible in 1 Year. And this morning we look at Genesis chapter 28, where the story of Jacob continues. Chapter 27 concluded with Rebekah motivating Isaac to send Jacob to her brother. She did not want Jacob to also marry a Hittite girl like his brother Esau. Isaac supported her in this and commanded Jacob to go to his mother's family and marry one of the daughters of Laban. In verse 3, he confirmed the blessing he previously blessed Jacob with and linked it to the godly promise to Abraham. Jacob obeyed and commenced with his journey to Padan Aram. Esau overheard the conversation and realized that his father disapproved of the Canaanite woman he married. He then went to Ishmael and married one of his daughters as well. In the meantime, on his journey, Jacob stopped at a certain place to stay overnight there because the sun had set. He lay down next to a stone and fell asleep. He had a dream about a stairway reaching to the heaven with angels going up and down on it. In the dream, God spoke to him. Underline what God said to Jacob as it is stated in verses 13 to 15. When he woke up, he looked at the place with new eyes. It felt to him like the place is the gate to heaven. He dedicated the place by pouring oil on the stone next to his head and named the place Bethel, meaning house of God. Its former name was Luz, with a possible meaning of almond tree or separation. In verse 20, Jacob then vows. Read verses 20 to 22 and summarize in your own words the vow. Has God ever revealed himself in some way to you? What was your response? If you can ask anything from God today, what will it be? And what will you give to God in return? May the Lord bless you as you study His Word and ponder upon how it applies to your life today. Amen. May you have a wonderful and blessed day.